Alright you lot,
How you doing?
Yorkshire Cooks here. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with a Twist. Today we're going to be mixing America's two favourite flavours, which is a Philly cheese steak and a good old beer, but from Yorkshire.
Now I know what you're thinking. Is it really a good idea to mix a sandwich and a beer? Well, my friends, it's a resounding yes. Trust me, by the end of this episode, you'll be salivating and reaching for a cold one.
So grab a seat, grab a snack or two, and get ready for a mouth-watering experience that'll have you saying, I can't believe it's not a takeout.
But first, if you don't mind, please press the subscribe button of our YouTube channel below. And now, it's Deal of the Week.
Who's first?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Well, you can't shoot it at them then. You've got to go 1, 2, 3, then do
right.
it. What are you doing?
Well, what were you doing?
What even was that? That was like a Spider-Man or something. Do it on beat with me. Go 1, 2, 3, then do it. No.
Alright.
Right. What are you doing? I'm getting ready. Do it again, but do it 1, 2, 3, then on the beat. Because you're telling me what you're going to do. Right, we're doing it for real now. Yeah, I knew you were going that. You're going first.
Right, mine is some pork pies from Asda.
Ooh, I'm a bit of a lover of pork pie.
Was £1.60, now 48 pence. Can we try one?
We've got to try one because it's one of our favourites of the Just Essentials range from Asda.
It is.
Right. Cheers. Where are you?
Cheers. You what?
I haven't used that to wedge my door open. Absolute stinker. And by disqualification, not even true. Look there, look there.
Not very fresh, are they? Wonder they were out of date, that's why they were cheap, I think.
Oh, right. We've got down now.
Oh,
By process of disqualification, Jack's 2 sausage and cheesy bean slices have won. They cost me £1.36, down from the cut what it used to be off, so it could have been £1.36.
No, I bet it were £2.
Most likely.
I think that says £2, doesn't it?
And these were 48p, and you couldn't have paid me 48p to buy them. So,
I think there's only one winner. Jack again.
on to beer of the week.
Now to beer of the week.
So this pint is a bitter, and it is called Yorkshire Terrier. It's by York Brewery, and it comes in at a 4.2%.
Yeah, York Brewery was founded in 1996. I've got the notes here. And it says, Yorkshire Terrier is an award-winning single hop best bitter. UK-grown Challenger hops impart a refreshing bitter bite alongside hints of orange peel on the aftertaste. The additions of crystal malt provides a caramel sweetness for balance, whilst bringing about a beautiful deep golden colour. To be quite honest, I've just had a sip and you can taste that orange zest in it.
Oh, you can. You definitely can. I think that is one of the best pints we've had in a while. That is going down very nicely.
Whether it's because they're saying it's a bitter and we prefer bitter. You see, everything else is ale.
Well, yeah,
But,
isn't it?
I mean, another interesting fact. It used to be brewed in York, but on the website it says that it's now brewed in Masham, which is where the Black Sheep brewery is.
Who we've previously reviewed in a previous video.
Yeah. But I could tell you what, this is absolutely
it's brilliant.
bob on.
I'm absolutely loving that. So it definitely gets a bob on from me.
Certainly a bob on from me.
Cheers.
Cheers. Philly cheesesteak sizzling on a grill. Yorkshire Terrier beer giving me my fill. Tasty sandwich, a perfect match. Just make yourself a brew. Sit back and relax. So here we have it, a Philly cheesesteak sandwich.
A Yorkshire Philly steak cheese
Yes,
sandwich.
not American. Not American. It's
Right.
Yorkshire.
I've got a tuck in. It just looks.
We've got to do the
beautiful.
taste test.
Right. Wow. That
It's the best thing I've ever made.
best thing you've ever made by an absolute country mile. Very simple to make, very easy to make, and for taste that you're getting out of that, you're daft not to make it.
You are. And it's a... Do you know, if I could make this on a Friday night when I get home from pub, I'd have it every week.
And I come round every week.
Pity we can't get it as a takeaway, isn't it? Hey? Lovely.
Absolutely amazing.
Please subscribe to our channel and like it if you like it. And also we're on Facebook under the Yorkshire Cooks. So it's a bob on from me.
So bob on from me. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching.